Sharing many classical elements of the Victorian Faust homes, the PFEUFFER mansion is more similar than different. In fact, the home is the birthplace of Lottie Pfeiffer, who went on to wed and later divorce Walter Faust Sr. Lottie's father, George, was the man behind the Pfeiffer mansion. George was born in Bavaria, 1830. His family arrived by boat at Galveston in 1845, where they set out for Indianola. However, most of their belongings were lost in a nasty shipwreck. In 1877, after marrying Susan Gravis and working as a merchant and sawmill owner, he was appointed Comal County Judge to fill the unexpired term of Theodore Kester, and in 1880 he took office. About the same time, Governor Owen Roberts appointed him as a director for Texas A&M, and if you can imagine, his first trip to College Station was by stagecoach. He built the first dorm, Pfeiffer Hall, and a monument now stands where that dorm stood. A senator in the 18th and 19th legislatures, Pfeiffer served as chairman of the Committee on Education. He led the group that built the capital of Texas out of red granite, and to this day, all government buildings are built with that same granite. The Pfeiffer home was built in 1910 on a tract of land that was partitioned in 1866 that was originally measured in German chains. The home was to be much larger than this. However, an old German woman fussed about it being too ostentatious, so George relented and built a smaller home. By all accounts, George Pfeiffer was a wondrous man who devoted his life to the service of Texas. When he died, it was said about him, "Never a more sturdy oak blasted by the lightning stroke." This classical revival Victorian mansion was restored in 1995 and now houses the law offices of one of George Pfeiffer's descendants.